yeah. First I've been jugging, finessing, and busting a move. Tryna run it up with you, yeah. Tryna run it up with you, yeah. Tryna run it up with you. Bands, I just wanna touch your fuel. Can I run it up with you? Can I run it up? Can I run it up with you? Can I run it up with you? Girl, you fuck it up, you do. You make me wanna run it up with you. Girl, you fuck it up, you do. You make me wanna run it up with you. Baby, you the blueprint. Without you, I'm losing. All your exes foolish. They were stupid. Heard you never know a good thing till it's gone. But since day one, I knew you was the one. Choose up, you own to something. You the type don't fold for nothing. Know a nigga not known for cuffing. But damn, you got it. Let me know if I'm wrong for lusting. Beat it like you owe me something. Show me something.
Yeah, I care what people think.
Yeah.
So that's gonna make him even better, become a better chef or whatever you want to call it. Cause I'm gonna just tell him this is bullshit, like, bro. Yeah, this is bull. We might just get our money back on what we paid for this shit.
Yeah.
Then I'm start getting reviews on there. After we get the reviews, after we get like 10 people to do the reviews, we gonna start rolling. We have like people like, oh, so good. Shit, I'm gonna be one of the reviews.
I'm weak. Okay. You got that done? Just crack my back right quick. Crack my back. Just pull it. Then do it.
What the hell wrong with you?
Cedric.
That was really your back? Your back really cracked like that?